Okay, it's Thursday, January 20th. Just wanted to follow up on Tesla one more time. The first video, I bought some puts up here near the high of the day. I was showing you how the orderly pullback started towards those highs, but then failed here on the two down. And now what we have is just a little broadening action below that pivot low, which was expected. And the question here, this is kind of a tipping point. Are we going to just broaden here and then really start up to the highs of the day before the day's over? We have, a little over 2 hours to go, or are we going to just continue lower and that was it? You almost have like a pivot machine gun here on the 15-minute chart, but we don't seem to be really strong. We're coming up, but you can see here we're not following through strongly yet. To me, it's kind of a situation where now that I see what's developing, I mean, if we come up, I'm just going to break even on this trade. And it still could definitely, this could have been the failure move towards the high. So, you just watch price action along the way, and that's how you kind of judge what you want to do with these trades. Again, big picture, I still am comfortable being short. But I do want to see the breakdown, and again, this area here, it's not exactly where the blue line, but somewhere around this 1026 is where the weekly chart keeps flipping from red to green. So you can see here, we're technically, if I go to it, I guess we'd see we're slightly green on this weekly bar at the moment, but as soon as we go down, we can turn red. Big picture still to the downside until the daily high is taken out from yesterday. We're still an inside bar at the moment, so I know, even though this up move looks like it was a strong start to the day, it's still not anything yet, in terms of continuing higher, but we can see tomorrow might be a key day if we stay inside and go either up or down. But for now, just given this 15-minute price action, which I look for, first move up on the day, that was expected after this opening 15-minute bar that held the midpoint. Orderly pullback, but we didn't quite take out, we couldn't take out that second push higher for a secondary move. So this is all inside price action now. Again, I'm still hoping that we just kind of hold in here inside and then collapse by the end of the day, but you never know. Just going to, at this point, I'm going to let price action lead me to either break even trade here or a very nice trade, by the end of the day to the downside.